So the most important thing in egg donation contracts and sperm donation contracts is laying out the parties that are involved, making sure you identify the parties. Make sure you say that the donor is a donor only. The donor is not responsible for any child support, any child care costs, or anything related to the child whatsoever. They are simply a donor. So you want to make sure of that, because if it's not specifically stated in a contract and for some reason the other biological parent of the child gives up rights or rights are taken away, the donor may have some sort of monetary obligation in the case. So you want to make sure that you either state the donor is strictly a donor, they have no rights to the child, such as parenting time or child support or decision making. And then another important issue to point out is how many times is the donation going to happen? When is it going to occur? Where is it going to occur? And who is going to be responsible for the fees associated with the donation? You'll also want to talk about if embryos are created, how are we going to store the embryos? How long are we going to store the embryos? And who's going to be responsible for the cost? Because that's obviously, a costly process. Another thing that's helpful to put into the contract is that you know specifically what's going to happen if anybody wants to get rid of the eggs, the sperm, or an embryo, if an embryo was created, when the destruction and how the destruction of those are going to occur.